So good morning, everyone. We are going to continue the topic MS Paint. In the MS Paint, we will use today uh, character map option. Okay, we will use the character map option today in MS Paint. And with the help of character map, we will make some interesting drawings also. Okay, तो चलो start करते हैं. Paint. So is a paint. If I ask you to make some cartoon face or something, so how will you make? Like this. You will make one circle, then you will use a circle, and then you will make one eye here, then you will put one more small circle, then you can put this inside like that. If to remove this white area, just click on the start option and then transparent option, use it here, then just need to bring it here like that. Or you can just after selecting this, you can select like that, or you can select with the help of freeform select also, and you can select and then use the copy option and then paste. When you paste, it will come like that. Once you copy, again you can click on paste, so it will come here. Now if I ask you to select this, so you cannot select with the help of this rectangle, so that time you have to use this free from selection option, then you can select. Then you can make here the nose also. You can mouth also, make mouth also like this. Like that you can create. Okay, but we have some more other option also, so that time we no need to create shapes like that. We can bring some shapes already, which is already made na. और मैंने ये ऑप्शन भी बताया था, टेक्स्ट ऑप्शन आप सबको, हाउ टू राइट, हाँ. So we will use this text option also today, and there's a different option. So to use that option, you have to press window and R key from the keyboard. Let me write here. Window plus R key from the keyboard, window and R. So run option will come here like this. Then you have to type here CHARMAP, CHARMAP, okay, CHARMAP, character map. So something new will come on the screen, you can see. Okay, so you can see the different designs are available here. Okay, so now I know no need to make the smiley face, so I can just directly click here and then use option select. When you click on select, it will come here. Then you have to just need to copy, but don't forget to name the font. Don't forget the name font Windings. Okay, its name is the Winding, the font name is Winding. Copy किया, इसको बंद कर दो चाहे तो आप, just close it. Use this text option, make one area here to type anything. Don't be confused this with the selection tag. This selection option and text option, both are different. If you want to write something, so you need this option text, then make this, then you already copy, so you can click here and then paste. It's very small size. You can click here, increase the font size also from here. If you need bigger than 72, so you need to just click here and remove the 70 from the keyboard and then type from yourself like 150. I'm writing here the 150. It come like that. You can select again. You can change the color also if you want. Then again click on home option, then you select option, select this and then bring it here. It's easy. I want to make one computer. Okay, I want to make one computer. So again I have to start window and R key from the keyboard. Round option will come. Then type here character map, CHARMAP. Okay, then click OK. It will come. Not only windings, there's a different fonts. इसमें अलग अलग फॉन्ट में अलग अलग स्टाइल्स होगा, सब कुछ अलग अलग सिंबल्स होगा. ठीक है, आपको जो भी बनाना होगा. सपोज मेरे को एक वो बनाना है, सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. कॉपी किया इसको, इसका फॉन्ट नेम है विंडिंग 2. Then I am using this text option and going to, I can right click and paste also, and then click here also for paste. इसको select किया, increase the font size. I want to make here like 200. ठीक है, now click here. You can fill color also, like red color I want to fill it, so I can use this and then fill the color here. Now use text and then write here. Then don't use these windings. I want to write here stop, STOP, but it's not coming stop. ये कुछ और ही लिख के आया. Why? Because the font name is different. So select करो इसको सबको, then click here and change the font name. Use another font like this. You can change the color. Then use the select option. Okay, like this you can write something, you can make some poster. So using this kind of sign, there's a different sign. बहुत सारे यहाँ पे symbols होता है character map के अंदर. तो आप यहाँ से कोई सा भी कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो. देखो, even suppose I want to make border, okay, around this. So आप यहाँ से देख लो चूज कौन सा करना डिजाइन. सपोज आई वांट टू चूज दिस. इसको सिलेक्ट किया, नॉट दिस, कुछ और देखते हैं. आई एम यूजिंग दिस. इसको कॉपी किया, फॉन्ट नेम विंडिंग 2. नाउ यूजिंग टेक्स्ट, make one area, font size too big, make it smaller. Again make one this, and then use paste. इसको select करो, font size थोड़ा सा increase कर लो, 20 कर लो, और make 24 or like it's okay 30. change the color. कौन सा कलर करते हैं, यहाँ चलते हैं, कुछ और कलर लेते हैं डिफरेंट. add to किया, okay किया. Okay, now just select this and then copy and then paste. Paste again, paste. इतना हो गया. then click outside. now use the select option. इसको select करो. okay, तो ये हो गया. इसके बाद इसको select करो with the help of select option. I want one more the same thing, so I can use select and then I can use the copy option, and then again I use the paste. Paste करके इसको लेके आ सकते हो. You can bring it down like this. ठीक है, again do paste. बट आई डोंट वांट दिस मच एरिया, इतना बड़ा नहीं चाहिए, इसको थोड़ा छोटा करना है. तो हम यहाँ से इतना सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. ओके, वी विल सेलेक्ट एंड देन वी विल डिलीट. सेलेक्ट किया और इसको डिलीट कर लिया. देन ओनली सेलेक्ट दिस. देन यू कैन रोटेट. वी हैव ऑप्शन रोटेट. विच ऑप्शन, 90 डिग्री करो. ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रहा है रोटेट करने में. Otherwise you can do one thing. Use text option. इसको use the text option again and type the same again. Use window R key first. Bring that character map again. Use some another method. Okay. Select किया, copy किया, then paste it here. Select करो. In case of font size, use the same color. नहीं, सेम नहीं बन रहा है. कुछ और डिजाइन ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये काम नहीं करेगा यहाँ पे. सेम कुछ और कॉपी करते हैं. चलो यहाँ से विंडो आर, कैरेक्टर मैप, कुछ और सिंबल. लेट्स गोइंग टू यूज द स्टार. सेलेक्ट किया, कॉपी किया, going to paste it here. You in case of font size, use the color. Now select this, इसको copy करो, then press enter and then again use control V paste. You can decrease the font size little bit. हाँ, ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है तो थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लेते हैं. चलो कॉपी, इसको कॉपी किया and then use paste like this. Then use the selection option, इसको select करो. You can copy also this, copy किया and then again paste it here. और पेस्ट करने के बाद इसको यहाँ पे रख दो. How does it look? Your mic is unmute, so you can speak, all of you.
It looks amazing.
So you can make
Yes, sir.
some different kind of border like that. Okay, like yesterday we make the border with the help of rectangle. So today you can make with this, huh? Like yesterday we are making one visiting card ना, business card. तो एक बार आप repeat करते हैं उसको, कुछ और बनाते हैं उसके अंदर, ठीक है? This and use the text option. Alpha Computer Repair Center. Okay. इसको select कर लो. Then increase the font size also. You can press enter like that also. Like this. You can increase more font size. select this, apply red color. Oh, sorry. Select this and apply a different color. Okay. Then use this option and bring it like that. Okay. More rectangle here. Not with this color. Use the black color. Then use the text. Now fill here color. Like I want to fill here the black color. I want to write here. So make one rectangle and then use the white color to write anything here. ये तो इसमें आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो एक काम करते हैं, इसको सिलेक्ट करते हैं और फॉन्ट साइज को थोड़ा सा कम कर लेते हैं. ओके. I made first black rectangle, then I use the text option, then I'm writing. While I'm writing, I use the white color. Otherwise, I cannot write like that. Okay. अगर आप बाहर लिखोगे व्हाइट कलर से, उसके ऊपर नहीं लेके आ पाओगे, तो इसलिए बनाया हमने यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Now I want to use here one computer sign, right? So for that, I need the character map. So I have to press Window R key, use character map. यहाँ से कंप्यूटर लेके आते हैं. कहाँ पे है कंप्यूटर हमारा? वो मिलेगा विंडिंग के अंदर. यहाँ पे अलग अलग सिंबल्स, ये सब आप ट्राई करना. ठीक है. Windings, webdings, both different symbols of सब try करो. There's a computer and there's a mouse. Okay, so I will use both of them. So I am using the select option, then copy this, close it, use a text option. Going to make here one area and then paste it. Select करो, increase the font size a little bit more. 100 is okay. You can change the color also. I can use this color, or I can click here and use the some little bit dark color also. ये डार्क कलर कर दिया. ठीक है. Then I will again click again window and R key, character map will come. Then I have to bring the mouse also. माउस को लेके आया, सिलेक्ट किया, कॉपी किया, इसको बंद किया, use a text option, make here the mouse also, select the mouse, apply the color, increase the size also, font size, or it should be 36. Yeah, it's okay. Now click outside, use the select option, इसको select करो and then bring it here like that. White area is coming. So how to remove this white selection? So just you just need to click on the select option and then click the option transparent selection. Now it's very easy like that. Bring it like this. Then you can again use the text option. Use like that. ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि फॉन्ट नेम विंडिंग से यहाँ पे चेंज करो और इसको नॉर्मल फेंट ले लो. Make font size little bit smaller or either make this box like that. ठीक है, ये लिख लिया. Select this and then right here. Then you can write here the name also, phone number also. चलो एक नाम भी लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. फॉन्ट से थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया, इसको थोड़ा छोटा करना पड़ेगा. I write here the name Hasib, and then going to page right here. Then I went to write here the phone number also. So use again text box. Write here the phone number. एक फोन नंबर लिखा, इसका साइज छोटा कर लो, ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है. Then click here outside, use the select option. इसको यहाँ पे रखो. सॉरी, कुछ भी गलत हो जाता है. If do any mistake, then press Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, and then bring it here. You can mention here the computer sign also. Oh, sorry, mobile sign also. Okay, so for यहाँ mobile के सामने. So for that you need to click on the window R key, use the character map, and then find out where is the mobile sign. इसमें नहीं है. Maybe Webdings. We can use this. हाँ, और भी यहाँ पे होगा फोन का सिंबल, तो आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो मेरे को अभी ये मिला, तो मैं इसको यूज कर लेता हूँ. सेलेक्ट एंड देन सॉरी, दिस इज अ साइन. ओके, आई गॉट इट. इसको सेलेक्ट किया, कॉपी किया, मिनिमाइज किया, यूज अ टेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, देन कंट्रोल वी टू पेस्ट. सेलेक्ट करो, इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज. आई थिंक इट्स ओके, 20 साइज. देन जस्ट नीड टू सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन, इसको सेलेक्ट करो और यहाँ पे लाके इसके साथ में रख दो. हाउ इज इट? How does it look?
Nice.
Good.
Great, sir.
So yeah, so you can make visiting card or business card design like this on the paint. Okay, ये आप इस पे बना सकते हो. और you can make poster also. आप होटल में जाते हो, रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो, आपको मेन्यू कार्ड्स मिलता है ना. So kind of that same thing you can make on that paint also. Not 100%.
Okay, sir.
But some of the part like that you can make. ठीक है? Any doubt, any confusion in this lesson today?
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Then fine.
sir.
If you are facing difficulties to open the character map option through the run, like window and R key, then press window and R key, then type as CHARMAP, then when you click OK, so then this character map will open that emojis. So you can directly open the character map. Just type in a search. Okay, in a search option type CHARMAP. That's it, and then click here. It will come. Okay, I think now your doubt is clear. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.